Hey, I want to show you something out. I made my first ringtone. I want to show you what it is. Hold on. I'm having an Apple moment. I'm having an Apple moment. Hold on. Let me first. Yeah, I need some music, right? Wireless on the airplane. Hold on. Okay. Need some music first. I can't do that. Sorry. I can't do that because I want to. What I want to show you is music. I made my first ringtone on a Mac. So I downloaded a video. I hope I don't get in trouble for this, but I downloaded a video. I was trying to figure out what ringtone. So I asked a bunch of my friends on Facebook, and so everybody gave me a great contribution. I'm really thankful for that. Because it really honed me in. So I never use ringtones. I'm not, I'm not excited about that. It doesn't, ring my bell. Sorry about that. But, but I started thinking about it, and then I realized that a lot of these artists, a lot of the pop artists, pop artists, they have a lot of ringtones, and songs that are ringtone songs, right? So just as a game, you guys tell me what your ringtones are. So I'm starting to get into it. But think about Lady Gaga. She has a telephone. Stop telephoning me. Now that would be a funny ringtone, right? That would be nice, right? And then Beyonce has a video phone, video phone. So a bunch of my friends suggested a bunch of ringtones, and so I finally figured out which one I wanted, and and so I want to play it for y'all. So it's great. Okay, so here we go. I gotta go to the control panel. But the nice thing about it is that I made it on YouTube from YouTube. I took a YouTube song, downloaded it. I gotta get the right one first. Wait a minute, just one more time in case it's a little bit. Let me turn it up. Oh, wait a minute, turn it down. Okay. But I made it like quickly. I took it from YouTube, extracted the sound, put it in Apple software, GarageBand, and then shoot it right over to iTunes. I know that's stupid, but I enjoyed it. So anyway, so it was so simple. I hadn't done it before, and it was a lot of fun. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And thanks for everybody on my Facebook that gave me some ideas and stuff. Okay, bye.